In this video, you will learn what the cap gap extension is and how best to use this as an F1 student transitioning from the F1 visa to the H1B visa. Coming right up. Hey, it's Chucky here from SurgeonandScholar.com, the trusted resource for international students and working professionals in the US. Now let's get into it. The cap gap extension, in simple terms, is given to F1 students who are the beneficiaries of a pending H1B cap subject petition that's filed with USCIS before the expiration of their initial post-completion OPT or STEM OPT extension. The word cap in cap gap and cap subject simply refers to the type of H1B that's limited to 85,000 every year. I discussed more about the types of H1Bs in this video. Given that the H1B petitions are filed on or after April 1st of every calendar year for the H1B status that goes into effect on October 1st of the same calendar year, US immigration regulations allow H1B beneficiaries with OPT EADs or STEM OPT EADs to extend their work authorization to cover any gaps from the date of expiration of their EAD to the effective date of the H1B status on October 1st. So let's see an example to make sense of this. Say you're an F1 student with an OPT EAD that expires on August 20th of 2021 and you have a pending H1B petition that was filed by your employer on April 1st of 2021. Then you are eligible to obtain an H1B cap gap extension that covers the gap in employment between August 20th of 2021 to October 1st of 2021 when your H1B status will become effective in the case that your H1B petition is approved. So what do you have to do to get a cap gap extension? Unlike the employment authorization for the OPT and STEM OPT extension that you had to file with USCIS in order to obtain an EAD card, the cap gap extension is automatic for eligible students. However, you may obtain a proof of work authorization in the form of an updated Form I-20 from your designated school official, but this is not required for you to continue working with your employer. Now, this updated Form I-20 will show an extension of your OPT or STEM OPT period. To obtain one, you will need to show evidence of a timely filed H1B petition by your employer. You can do this by providing a copy of your H1B petition filed by your employer and the mailing receipt. You can also show evidence with a copy of the Form I-797 receipt notice sent by USCIS acknowledging the receipt of your H1B petition. Now, if your petition is rejected by USCIS or withdrawn by your employer during the cap gap period, you will immediately enter the 60-day grace period, which allows you to prepare to depart the United States. But keep in mind that this 60-day grace period does not apply to an F1 student whose H1B petition was rejected on the grounds that they had violated their F1 status. And that's it for the H1B cap gap extension. Please leave me a comment below if you have any questions about this topic. And also make sure to like and share this video if you found the information helpful, as it helps others find this content. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. But until then, be unbounded.